أتعشقها أم رثيت لحالي.
Dear brothers and sisters, how many times does one wake up from sleep during the night for any reason and then heads back to sleep? However, this particular moment when you wake up during the night, the Prophet ﷺ has told us that it's a great moment that includes tremendous rewards and blessings from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and taught us a wonderful dua to say during this time that would bring to us tremendous benefits in this life and the hereafter. Please listen to this great authentic hadith narrated by Bukhari. The Messenger of Allah ﷺ said, whoever gets up during the night and then say, La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah, lahul mulk wa lahul hamd, wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir, subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah wallahu akbar, wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, rabbi ighfirli. Translated, none has the right to be worshipped except Allah alone, without any partner. To Him belongs sovereignty and praise, and He is all over things wholly capable. How perfect Allah is, and all praise is for Allah, and none has the right to be worshipped except Allah. Allah is the greatest, and there is no power, no might except with Allah, the Most High, the Supreme. O my Lord, forgive me. My dear brother, my dear sister, all that's needed is to wake up and say this dua and ask Allah for what you want in goodness for this life and the hereafter. Our beloved Prophet ﷺ has assured us when we wake up during the night and say this dua, our dua will be certainly answered. Brothers and sisters, it's a very easy dua to memorize. It will keep your heart close to Allah. All that is needed when you wake up for any reason, pause, pay attention, don't get distracted with materialistic things such as the messages on social media. Make the first thing that comes to your heart and mind and tongue the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This amazing dua that increases your iman and brings goodness to your life does not require ablution, nor it requires you to get up from bed. O Allah, keep our hearts close to you and give us the guidance to remember this dua. O Allah, whoever shows this clip, ease their hardship and worries, bless them and make them a partner with us in earning their rewards.